Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good in your life. So recently I've made a switch from service-based company to a product-based company, and my last day of working at Infosys, which is my current organization, is 31st of March, and 2 days later I'll be joining other organization, which is on 3rd of April, and the name of that organization is ArcServe India, and it is a product based company, and it will be totally new experience for me to work in a product based environment because I haven't worked in any of the product based organization yet. I'll tell you about my role. Like, I will be joining as a Salesforce data analyst in ArcServe India, whereas I was working as a senior systems engineer at Infosys. So basically, this profile, which I am currently working on, uh, is like uh, is like whatever demand come from the client, you have to work on it. So basically, if client is asking to make changes in the UI, so we'll be working on changing the UI. And if they want us to extract data or change something in the data or visualize it, so we will be working on that. So this is how these service based companies works. So that I wanted to show some light on. Whereas the other organization that I'm going to be joining, which is a product based company, so there a specific like, you are working on a specific profile. So if the profile is relevant, what happens is, if you are a data analyst, so you have to visualize the data, you have to like extract the data, clean the data, and these all of these kinds of work you have to do with the data. And since my profile is Salesforce data analyst, so I have to work on Salesforce as well. So earlier I have some experience on Salesforce administration, and I also like have certification of the same. So uh, that's why I got the offer from this organization, because I was holding the experience as well as knowledge on both the platforms, both of the technologies. So yeah. I'll be sharing my welcome kit. So this is the box that they have shared. It does not have laptop in it. They'll be sharing the laptop very soon. They have like told me, but I will tell you what is in it. So this is a file holder that they have shared. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is a file holder. So yeah, good. It feels really great now when you get stuff from your company. And this is the pen they have like gave me. This is very expensive. Oh, it has a price as well. It is of 490 rupees. Oh my god. The pen. Oh. And then I have a coffee mug which can keep my coffee warm. It makes me happy. Anyone can like feel happiness. So best thing about this kit is that if you look at this diary, what you will be feeling like, what it has in it. It has a pen here, but look at this. I'm so lucky. I love these stuffs. So they have like pins, calendar, these more sticky notes, one marker, sharpener, rubber, and this, I don't, what do we call it? I don't remember. Yeah. So they have like given these things, and I'm very happy about it. And also they have sent me a chocolate box of Ferrero Rocher, but I already ate it, so I don't have packet of the same. But I'm not even sure it is pronounced as same. Please comment. And they have given me this bottle, and I'm very like honored and feeling happy that a company, when your company send you welcome kit, you must be happy na. So the same thing I'm feeling. So yeah, this was the all of the thing that they have given, and my laptop will be coming soon, and I'll share that with you guys as well. So yeah, let me know in the comment box below if you have any query related to data analysis or any sort of thing that you might feel like asking. I'll be answering the questions, and yeah, I will create a complete roadmap video on data analysis very soon. So please keep watching, and thank you for so much love. Thank you. Bye bye.